So can you please tell me what does your company does and how like how is it catering to the Indian market?
Okay. So we are from Penang, Malaysia. So we found in year 1991. It's about 34 years. Okay. So we are more towards on the semiconductors solution provider.
Okay.
Okay. So we do have a manufacturing plant in Penang, Malaysia.
All right.
So of course our engineers around the world, we have about up to 1,000 people in Penang.
Okay.
So we are listed company in Kuala Lumpur. Okay. So you can get all these revenues report on your website. So basically our customer is more toward on the semiconductor industry. So of course, Pentamaster Corporation Berhad is a listed company. We have two subsidiaries. So Pentamaster Technology, Pentamaster Instrumentation, Pentamaster Manufacturing, and also Pentamaster Management.
All
So
right.
Pentamaster Corporation Berhad is a company. We have a few different segments, different industry, like semiconductor and also medical. Yeah. Well, of course, the purpose we come here is more towards on the semiconductor industry.
All right. And how is the company helping India to be a semiconductor hub?
Uh, Frank speaking, India for us is still a very new market for us
Yes.
because you know that semiconductor in Malaysia is quite mature. It's about 30 years ago. So we are here because we want to see some any opportunity, new opportunity because you know that Indians government is fully pushing on this semiconductor because of this geopolitical issue as well. So hopefully we have some of opportunity or chance for us going in India to explore more chance or opportunity for this sector.
Okay. And what is your product portfolio?
Okay, our product portfolio we are cover from the wafer level up to package IC level as well. Yeah. So we do have assembly process and also the test auto equipment process. Yeah.
Okay. And do you also have your own manufacturing plant?
Yes, we do have manufacturing plant in Penang, Malaysia. When we also have a small manufacturing plant in China.
Okay.
Yeah.
And like, what machinery do you use and how many people are there working?
Basically, we have 1,000 people work in around the. So in Penang, we are about 800 people.
Okay.
Yeah.
And are you also into semiconductor testing?
Yes, we are providing the solution for the automated test equipment for sensors.
And do you also have any partnerships here or you have done any partnerships in the past?
We just yesterday we just signed a partnership, technology partnership with Kane Semiconductor.
Okay.
But of course, we are engaging our distributors and also agents to run to come out a business network for us as well. Because until now we do not have any sales office in India again. Because we want to see any opportunity. If in future, if there is a need, of course we will invest or we are going to have our business in India.
All right. Are there any challenges that you face in the Indian market?
One thing is we need to adapt the cultures. Of course, different country they have different cultures.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but definitely, in semiconductor, for this, I believe that India is still very new on that. So, we need a lot of technology and talented engineers to involved in this.
Got it. Also, how do you see automation and testing evolving in the near future?
Uh, Automation, or especially when we talk about AI automation, is the future needs. So you know that nowadays everyone talking about artificial intelligence (AI). So this is a trend. So in future, like all the manufacturing, they will less and less getting operation. So they will run with a factory automation, which is all fully automated.
Hmm. Got it. And like, how do you feel that the government is helping countries outside India into, collaborating with Indian companies here?
Uh, I do have an opportunity to talk to the Assam State minister. So they came to Malaysia and then visiting us. So there is an opportunity for us. I think 3 months ago, I went to Assam for this MOU signing with the Tata Electronics on them. Yeah,
All
it's a
right.
good opportunity.
All right. And can you talk about the MOU and can you give us some details about it?
Basically, it's more focused on the collaboration between Tata Electronics and us on how we bring up the technology partnership together we have.
All right. And how is the Indian market catering to you? And what industries are you planning to focus on? Like automotive, EV, or
Yes, yes. We are we do have all these equipments support for it, what we so called the silicon carbide, which is more towards on the EV electrical vehicle car. So actually in China, it's more matured on that. So right now we are seeing that's a trend coming from China to India because we talk about the green environmental green. So this is a trend that EV will going to next generation's vehicle car. We will face all these.
so do you also leverage artificial intelligence into your products?
Yes, yes. Like especially for our product, the vision inspection system, we are already integrated with the AI system. So
Okay.
means that you no need to ask people or operator to train. But whereas the AI system will going to train by themselves, and then
Yeah.
they know where is it good or no good. And how they are going to segregate all these defect out from the actual.
Got it. Do you also have your own R&D team?
Yes, we do have. We have about 50 people for the R&D.
And like, can you talk about it? Like, how does it work, and how can this be useful for the Indian market?
You means that our R&D teams will benefit in the Indian market on
Yes,
that?
yes, yes.
Okay, so basically, we need to know the trend. What is the technology going to go on? So recently, a lot of people talk about advanced packaging. I'm not sure whether you are aware of this or not. Advanced packaging means that there is a different compared to the conventional process how to do the ice. So they were going to have a different stacking up of this process flow. So our R&D team basically we will look for 2 or 3 years down the road. So we need to plan out that because if we want to sustain the company to go along the way, so we need to have R&D teams to have innovations idea how to equip your product to become more mature and more high technology.
Got it. So that's it with the questions, sir.